Making $7, $10, or even close to $20,000 was not that very unusual on Amazon. And if you were a part of Amazon Influencers program for this first few years, it was actually very common for average motivated content creator to replace their full-time income simply by uploading their review videos to their storefront on Amazon. How do I know this, you ask? Well, I was one of these lucky creators, so my revenue in July of 2023 was actually $24,000. But then, unfortunately, everything started to change, and not only for me, but for other creators on this platform as well. Now, whether you just want to participate in the Amazon Influencers program for the very first time, or you are already in it and want to be more successful in this platform, make more money of course, then this video is definitely for you. The thing is, you can still be successful in this program, at least some of you. However, a lot has changed recently, and this is definitely not the same Amazon Influencers program like it was just a couple of years ago. So now in 2025, you can think about this program as Amazon Influencers Program 2.0, or some kind of updated, redefined version of it, in which some content creators will make ton of money, maybe even more revenue than they ever did before, but it will definitely be less of these creators, and for the rest of us, we will have to ask ourselves if participating in this program actually makes any sense, and I mean financially. You see, when I got approved for Amazon Influencers video, which is in 2021, this platform was relatively new, especially the part of uploading videos directly to the storefront. And even though for most content creators it was a little bit harder to get to the program because you had to have decent amount of subscribers on YouTube, for example, or good amount of followers on other platforms, and some good amount of views on your content too, of course. However, the good thing is, if you were lucky enough to be inside of the program, and because not too many people knew about the program, if you were just uploading relatively good quality videos to your Amazon storefront, for example, there was a pretty big chance that your revenue would grow pretty much every single month. The huge part that made this program so awesome was that yes, to get approved you had to have some influence online, if you will. However, if you were already in the program, your viewers from all the other platforms didn't have to even check your video on Amazon. That is for you to make money from these videos. So once you uploaded your review, for example, of the vacuum to your Amazon storefront, then because you tagged the product in the video you posted, then Amazon would literally bring the shoppers to your video or other similar videos for the same product from other creators. Now, of course, this was good for shoppers also, because your review video, for example, provided some additional information, so they could make more informed decision whether they want to buy the product or not. But if they watched your video and bought the tagged product under the video, then you would earn the proper commission for that product sale. Obviously, the crazy and awesome part about it is that that specific shopper never even knew about your YouTube channel or Instagram and etc., but you still earn that commission you qualified for because Amazon showed your video before they decided to buy that product. Now, I've gotta say this though, that today in February of 2025, Amazon made two major changes, and you definitely need to know about them moving forward. The first major change that Amazon implemented is that it's way easier right now to get into the program, and I'm referring to the amount of subscribers or followers you must have to enter the program. And even though Amazon never mentioned the official numbers, but it was kind of common knowledge between other video creators that in order for you to qualify for Amazon Influencers program, your subscribers on YouTube, for example, would have to be between 2 and 5,000. And just a couple of days ago, I was reading some Reddit threads, and apparently Amazon is letting people into the program with only 3 to 500 subscribers. Now that sounds good, right? And it probably is for all the smaller channels on YouTube or small creators. However, think about this. This also increases the competition. So instead of few thousand Amazon Influencers video creators, now there is at least tens of thousands. So obviously every time you upload a new video to your storefront, or even your older videos will be shown less to potential shoppers, because there is just so many videos that Amazon has to show, and your commission revenue will unfortunately reflect that too. The second, and I think very important change with Amazon Influencers program is that right now Amazon is actually focusing on the real influencers Let me explain. Now, if you are already in the program or even want to participate tomorrow, it doesn't really matter. You can still make some commission revenue even without telling your viewers, for example, from YouTube, TikTok or Instagram to go and shop on your Amazon storefront. And if your video is still there on Amazon, assuming it's a good video and it has decent conversion rate, Amazon will probably at least show some of your videos, so you can still make some sales commission. However, for the real influencers, the story is a little bit better, because for any content creator that actually brings these viewers, for example, from YouTube or other platforms, into the storefront on Amazon, for those creators, the potential to make the revenue on Amazon will be bigger than ever before. And if you watch any of Amazon Creator Summits, even from 2022 or 2023, you would clearly see that Amazon is training and pushing, if you will, for the content creators on any other platforms outside of the Amazon to basically bring these viewers to their Amazon storefronts and convert them into Amazon shoppers, which of course makes sense. There is other thing with this too, that Amazon provides a lot of incentives, especially for those creators who bring their traffic to the Amazon storefront and obviously increase the sales because of it. So there is creator connections when you can literally hook up with the brands, and there is also bonuses and incentives for the volume of sales, which is great for these influencers who can participate in the program that way. Now, the sad part about it is that not everybody can participate in this program this way, and I'm not complaining. This is not our platform. Amazon is making its own decision to make the program successful. However, I want to share with you my little perspective. Now, if you have any entertainment channel, family channel, prank videos, maybe even tutorials, and you don't necessarily talk about any products in your videos, then all of a sudden you're not gonna start mentioning your storefront on Amazon or tell your viewers to go and check some product and buy it potentially, because sometimes that can literally damage your YouTube channel, for example, because your viewers won't really appreciate it. So sure, some video creators, especially those channels that make review videos or talk about some fashion or even have products in their videos, then these channels could probably benefit from the way Amazon Influencers program is going. But for the rest of us in this program, this change can have negative impact on our revenues, and that seems to be the case in 2024 and especially now in 2025. Okay, if you like this video, make sure to check this video next. There is a lot of good info in it too. And as always, thank you for watching.